Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Adelia Wahyuni. You can call me Adel. I am from class management 24EX, NPM 2441102. Labor market. Definition of the labor market. The labor market is a mechanism where the supply of labor from job seekers meets the demand for labor from employers or companies. In this market, negotiations occur between workers and employers regarding the number of workers to be hired and the wages to be paid. Components of the labor market. Labor supply comes for individual or group ready and willing to work. The amount of labor supply is influenced by the working age population, education and skill level, social economic condition, individual preference. A. Working hours location. B. Labor demand comes for company or organization that need workers for production process. The amount of labor demand depends on the wages offered, technology usage, market and product condition, government labor policy. Function of the labor market. Determines wages level tracks the interaction of labor supply and demand, provide information for job seekers and employers about availability and needs, allocates labor efficiently across economic sectors, bridges labor needs between workers and companies. Factor affecting the labor market. Factor explanation. Education level. Higher education usually means better skill and increased labor supply. Technology. Automation can reduce labor demand in certain jobs. Government policies such as minimum wage, labor regulation and training programs. Economic conditions. When the economy grows, labor demand increases. During recession, demand decreases. Labor mobility, as of workers moving between regions or sectors affects the labor market. Relationship between labor market and employment. If labor supply, labor demand, employment occurs. If labor demand, labor supply, labor stock occurs. Labor market equilibrium happens when labor supply, labor demand. Type of labor market. Type of labor market characteristic and example. Formal labor market, official agreements between workers and company, each factory or office employees. Informal labor market, job without formal agreements, street vendor or day laborers. Regional labor market a specific area such as city or province. Global labor market, labor involving cross-border workers such as immigrant workers. Problems in the labor market. Employment happens if labor supply exceeds demand. Skill mismatch when workers' skills do not match market needs. Minimum wage is set too high can cause unemployment. Economic uncertainty, recession or price reduce labor demand. Government role in the labor market. Sets minimum wages to protect workers, provides job training to improve skills, regulates labor policy to create a fair and healthy labor market, supplies labor market data and information through statistical agencies. Conclusion. The labor market is a dynamic system that is heavily influenced by economic, social, and technological developments. Creating an inclusive and sustainable labor market requires collaboration between the government, business, and communities to develop skills, create jobs, and protect worker rights.